If you see this building up on your engine, or you smell something sweet while driving, do not ignore it. Your engine could overheat. If that happens, we are not talking about a small repair anymore. This may end in a serious engine damage. This is a coolant leak building up on your car. Coolant isn't just colored water. It has additive for your specific vehicle. It controls engine temperature and absorbs the heat and carries it away through the radiator. Your engine runs hot, very hot. And without coolant or low coolant, the temperature rises fast. And modern engines? They don't tolerate overheating like the old cast iron engines used to. Overheat it once you can warp your cylinder head. Overheat it bad, you will blow the head gasket. If you keep driving and you can destroy the engine. Here are common warning signs. White crust or residue around hoses or radiator, usually matching the coolant color. If you see a wet spots under the car, the coolant level is low in the reservoir. The temperature gauge going higher than normal. Heater stops blowing hot air. Sweet smell inside or outside the car. And here's the dangerous part. Some leaks are small. They drip slowly. So you may think, it's fine, I'll check it later. Later, it will become an overheated engine on the highway. Most common places are radiator cracks, upper or lower radiator hose, heater hoses, water pump, thermostat housing, coolant reservoir tank, head gasket, worst case. Rubber hoses get soft with age. Gaskets fail over time. Plastic tanks crack from heat cycles. This doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly. That's why doing the inspections, it is important. First rule, never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. You will get burned. Check coolant level when the engine is cold. If it's low, don't just top it off and forget it. Find the leak. Pressure testing the cooling system is the proper way. That tells you exactly where it's leaking. If you ignore it, here's what happens. Coolant drops. Engine overheats. Oil breaks down, metal expands. Head warps. Now you're replacing an engine. Simple leak. Huge consequence. A radiator hose might cost $20 to $60. A water pump may be a few hundred installed. An engine replacement? Thousands. This is one of those problems that starts cheap but becomes expensive fast. If you see coolant residue, smell something sweet, or your temperature gauge moves higher than normal, don't wait. Cooling systems are simple, but overheating is unforgiving. Fix the leak early, save your engine.